Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're here again taking a look at the latest stuff on cryptocurrency, and today we're going to be focusing on BenQi or BenQi. I don't know how to pronounce it, such as the crypto coins. Today let's start by looking just at Bitcoin. First of all, we had this really nice bounce off the 14-day moving average, but still we kind of got this divergence playing, which could play out. Have we got enough to make a new high here? I don't think so. I don't think we've really got enough volume, but I don't know. I still think we are going to come down, probably test like 40, 41, 42. Not really too much to say about that. Bitcoin dominance chart still trending downwards. Looking at the DeFi index, we're trending upwards. So AVAX, or I don't even know how to pronounce this one, AVA, is performing really well. It's kind of mooning, to be honest. Actually, I'm thinking about taking some profits. I need to work out when my last buy was. So we're at 93 on the RSI, so we're way overbought at the moment, and probably we're going to kind of get some resistance around this kind of level. I think we're gonna get resistance between this kind of level, so might be a good idea to actually take some profits maybe, and then maybe we will form like a a nice cup and handle formation. That could be quite interesting. I could see that happening, and then just absolutely smash through there. We've got like a really rounded, we've got such a rounded bottom here. So I'm a little bit cautious about AVA. What else have we been looking at? We've been looking at Matic, and we had this very nice bounce after 14-day. I did take out a loan about 130, but I wish I took out another one at about 125, 128. Really would have been a great entry. About 127 really would have been a great entry here. The problem is we haven't got any volume. We need some real kind of buy. We really need to see some action today. We really need to see like above 150. I mean, we already are above 150. We really need to sort of come towards this. We really need to try to attack this sort of 163 level and try to break through here for some sustained growth. And I've kind of been recommending swap continues the uptrend, so I'm definitely going to be buying any dips on this going forward. I think it's a fantastic project, definitely in the top 100, and it's way down compared to that. I think there's quite a few gems around there. I think we really need to be thinking about what's boring at the moment. You know, we really need to buy what's boring. Let's take a look at the altcoin season indicator. Well, taking a look at the altcoin season indicator, we've absolutely smashed into altcoin, into sort of no man's land today. So that's me kind of sitting tight really. I think I'm not really going to make any too big decisions right now until we sort of decide what we're going to do. I think we're in a kind of tricky area right now. I actually think some of the DeFi is going to correct slightly, and then some of these coins, like I'm saying, the boring coins, are not really talking about, probably blue chips, is going to have a bit of a rise, maybe like Link. Some other coins I haven't really had too much about recently, and then I'm not sure. I mean, maybe then the DeFi's cool off a bit and then we run with that. I'm not sure. Fear and greed index doesn't change, same every day. Alright, so let's take a look at BenQi. First of all, okay guys, so first of all, if you want to get over to Avalanche, you're wondering how to do it, just the way I'm doing it, you can come down to my tutorials and click on the AVAX DeFi, and I will be explaining in there. If you skip to about 6 minutes 40, I'm just explaining briefly how to set up your wallet on here, and then just go through the whole process of how to go from an exchange, sending your Avalanche to here, and then moving it from the X chain to the C chain, and then moving it to your MetaMask wallet. Actually, it's really easy. It's just a 3-minute video explaining how to do it. It takes no time. It's super fast. Okay, so once you've done that, let's get straight into BenQi, I'm going to call it. So BenQi is a money market similar to AAVE, and it's just depositing. Currently we've got Avalanche and a whole bunch of wrap tokens on here, and then you can borrow against it. So the big news and why we're on here is BenQi and Avalanche are launching a 3 million liquidity mining initiative to accelerate DeFi growth. So this is quite a significant amount, and we're going to be looking at the amount you can earn by depositing and borrowing. But AAVE is also coming to Avalanche, and I think they've got an even bigger initiative. So actually I'm kind of really excited about that, but in the meantime, this is what we can do. So I'll have my Avalanche in my wallet here. You'll have set this all up if you went through the tutorial. And then I'm just going to deposit the maximum. So I've got my AAVE on here, and you'll have it all set up, your RPC and everything here, hopefully, if you followed the tutorial. The first thing I'm going to do is click use as collateral. So we just need to enable that. And as we can see, MetaMask got a new kind of new representation here. It tells you the actual fee in Avalanche. And if you click edit, you can change the gas price. Apparently like 225 is like a normal gas price on Avalanche. So now we've got this enabled, and now we are going to deposit not all of it. Maybe we'll go for, we'll keep 0.1, because we know what happens when you deposit all your coin and then you can't do any transactions. Okay, that's done, tokens deposited. Let's see what's going on. So we're getting a net APY of 10%. We're getting a deposit APY of 1% and the distribution APY of 9.22%. 6.19 is the achieve rewards, and 3.03 is the AAVE rewards. So it's okay, right? It's not too bad. I mean, it's not really much to shout about, and especially as we're trusting a third party with our coins or tokens, there is a little bit of counterparty risk there, and you have to factor that into the gains. So let's check out borrow, and on the borrow side, this is where it's kind of interesting. We've got the borrow APY of 4.84%. You know, I really hate the, and we have a distribution APY of 36.08%, which is quite significant. So if we minus the borrow APY, then we're getting about 32% plus the supply of 9%, which is about 40% APY, which is about 34% APR. It's what, like 0.1 per day? It's okay, right? It's not too much. So that's for AVA. Let's take a look at Link. We've got a lower distribution APY. USDT also lower at 32. Wrap BTC 32. And E14 and DAI 24. So probably what I'd want to do if I want to hyper compound my stack, I will borrow USDT. If I just want to increase the amount which I'm, if I just want to gain interest, then I will borrow AVA, right? So actually, I think when we're looking at the price, I think it's more excitement about AAVE than it is the rewards on BenQi. Oh, we can see here on the overview, we've got a total supply of 400 million and a total borrow of 153. And this table just shows us the basic one without the bonuses. We can also collect the rewards here on the rewards page, the chi here, and the protocol rewards in AVA. So overall, it's not really that exciting actually. I need to find out a date when AAVE launches on AVA. That's the thing. You know, I was kind of excited about this. I always see the Avalanche adverts on Twitter constantly. Avalanche is going to be the next chain. Avalanche is going to be the next DeFi. But actually, if you look at my tutorial video, I'm talking about how the transaction fee is. You're talking about 17 to 40 cents per transaction, around this kind of price. So I'm not really seeing what they're bringing to the table. They got farms on there, but it's not really that exciting, and they haven't really got any gaming or anything, any projects that I've heard about like that. And the chart looks way overextended into overbought territory. And obviously we're like mooning here, coming into significant resistance zone. So, and we haven't really had any decent correction yet. So actually I'm thinking I'm going to sell. I'm probably going to sell all of it, or I'm going to take heavy profits. So looking at CoinStats, I really recommend getting this app. I think it costs like about $4 per month. I have said previously on the channel, if you come in the Telegram group, or if you leave some comments saying if you're interested in getting this, I can actually, I emailed them before asking about a group package, and we can try and get a better deal for you guys. So I can actually check, it will keep all the record on all your exchanges. Now during altcoin season, this is absolute must to have, because to keep track of everything is just like impossible. You can never remember what price you bought stuff, and then you have to dig through all the exchange history. So this does it all for you automatically. You just need to connect the Exchange API with the application, and I can see already I bought a massive, quite a big amount for me. Like at the time, it was like $900 at 33. So now we are looking at 36, and I had to hodl through this whole thing down to like $9. So I think I bought like here. I thought we were gonna break out of here, and I went too early. So I'm going to go to withdraw, and I'm going to withdraw the maximum. So this is going to be a strange kind of video actually. Okay, so now we got it in our wallet, and actually I'm going to walk you through the backwards procedure of how to get back to the exchange, because last time I made the tutorial somebody said how do you get back. So now I'm going to go to wallet.avax.network. So we need to change to C chain, which is our EVM wallet address. And then we're going to copy this address, and I'm going to send a test transaction there because, okay, so we click send. I'm going to paste this in, and then I'm going to do 0.04. Confirm. Let's see if this works. And it's appeared as available here, so that looks like it's worked okay, so I'm just going to continue. Then I'm going to send the whole shebang. And here we are, we got it. So quick, you know. It's quick. It's quicker than Matic. But I don't think there's many transactions going on. Okay, and then we need to go across chain, and we need to move it from C chain to X chain. And we can see we've got a balance here. We'll just click max, and then confirm, transfer. So this whole exercise has probably cost me a little bit of money, but never mind. Okay, and now we need to get this to our Binance address. So now we need to go to send, source chain X, maximum amount. Now we need the address on Binance, so let's do that. So once you're on the deposit screen, we need to choose You are joking, right? Alright guys, so I can't get it off. So I've made a different plan. What I'm going to do is I'm going to swap it for USDT on Pangolin, and then I'm going to supply it to BenQi, and we're going to be getting about a APY of about 30%. So let's go ahead and do that. So on Pangolin, I've already got it set up. We need to save some, so let's do 27.3. Let's try that. Why is the price so low? Wow, why is the price so low? That's like $150 less. So it turns out there is quite a difference in price. So I'll come on OKX and you can choose between AVAX, AvaX Exchange or AvaC chain. So I'm just going to try C chain. And then straight to the trading account. Let's go for it. Okay, so that's worked. So you can do that as well if you're on OKX. That's kind of more convenient. So there is a lot of good exchanges which offer some good deposit and withdrawal solutions. So I'm just going to get on with selling that. So what do you think, guys? Did I make a good decision? What are you going to be doing with your AVA? How do you pronounce it? Let me know in the comments below, or feel free to join us in the Telegram. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll be back tomorrow with some more. See you guys later.